Okay, guys, hi, how are you guys doing? So today we are going to be creating YouTube shorts using a blurry background. We want it to fill up the screen. It's going to be a 1920 by 1080, which is a 16:9 ratio. We're going to create that kind of view, but in YouTube short form. So over here, I'm going to be using Filmora. So using Filmora, let us grab our file that we're working on today. But before then, you want to change your project aspect ratio. So are you guys ready? Okay, let's get started. So we're going to create that using, change our ratio to 9:16, and that is the standard short vertical view. So with that, we're going to create new project. Okay, so once you have your new project in there, let me show you what we're going to do now. Okay, so we're going to have a new project. I'm going to share my screen again to show you what we have in that instance. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the file. Bear with me while I grab the file, and you guys will see it soon. So this is the file that I'm going to be creating in short format. So let's take that file. Hopefully you're seeing it. If you're not seeing it, I'm going to share it in a different way. But let's see, because sometimes this sharing app just kind of messes with me. So let me make sure that that is coming up for you all to see. Okay. So I'm gonna do something different here so that you all will be able to see it much better. So instead of that, I'm gonna remove that and I'm going to share out my all my screen. Okay. So we're gonna share the entire screen. Bear with me while it gets a little bit wonky right here. I think that's the new word for today, wonky. So add that to your dictionary, wonky. Okay, so this is how my screen looks like. I've grabbed my video. My video right now is 1 minute, 2 seconds, and 70 milliseconds. Is that what they call it? So now I'm going to grab it again. So I have 2 layers of the same thing. You all can see 2 layers of the same thing, 1 layer, another layer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the layer that is at the bottom. That's the layer on level 1. I'm going to spread that out like this. Just spread it out like that. Okay, so if I spread it out like that, you see this is how it will look. It will be too much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it out like that because this is the one that we're going to blur out. So now I'm going to come in here. I will add another video track and I'll move this up. So I'm moving level 2 up to layer 2 up to layer 3 because I'm going to add some effect right here. So the effect I'm going to add, so we're going to go in here, add effect of mosaic, and then we're going to spread out the effect of mosaic and make it in that 190, in that 9:16 ratio. So you see now that area is blurry. So make sure you extend this up to how long you want it to be. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to expand this video. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky because I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it to be too small. So and then I want my face to be in focus as needed. So let's try and do this. So I'm going to just listen to what I'm saying and see where I can cut off because, because we're going to cut off some stuff so that we can get it under the 60 seconds, which is the requirement for shorts. So shorts requirement is vertical under 60 seconds. So let's do this. So okay, I'm going to cut that because I don't need all that information. So I'm going to cut all that out. Okay. And let me minimize the stuff. So before I start this video, I want to show you guys something. And look
This is my bathroom, my shower, right over here.
So everything looks good.
It's a little square thing right here. And whenever I film my videos, lights, different lights.
So the lighting looks good.
Situated in the shower.
So you see here,
I usually
you see right there,
myself situated in the shower.
So it's still okay, but I could
I
cut
usually
it and
will sit,
move it.
I'll put,
so
this is wide open, you know, I put on my bathing suit.
Right here.
And
I'm going to move it so that I'm more in focus. Okay, I was in focus right over there, but right there I'm not in focus. So all I need is I'm going to cut this top layer. I don't care much about this bottom layer. So this top layer, I'm going to move it just a little bit vertically and then press
and not to talk about all the mess that stopped using the shower, things that were damaged in the shower. Let's get into it.
Okay, so I don't want to.
I stopped using the shower. On this video, I'm going to tell you. But you know what? Let's get started on this video. I'm going to tell you.
Okay, now here I'm talking about another video. So I do want to add some text. So I'm just going to add some text in here. So right here, I'm going to say, watch video on Discovering Natural channel. Discovering Natural channel. Okay, and I'm going to center that, minimize that a little bit, and then just add that somewhere here. Okay, so I want to bold this so that it stands out like that. Expand this, and then I'll be like, okay. So now
real stuff why I stopped using the damaging my hair because I was using the shower. Let's get into it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna cut out this part. I'm gonna cut out that part. I'm gonna cut out that part. So I have all these parts cut out. So since I have all those parts cut out, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to also add a little bit of a timestamp or a little bit of information so that, you know, people can know about my channel. So all I'm doing is I'm coming in here. This here, I'm going to go like that. And I'm going to add Discover Natural. Okay. Right over there at the bottom. And I can change the font and do all that stuff. You guys know how to edit, so I don't have to show you guys. So let's do that. Discover Natural channel. I'm gonna keep this as style 1 and change that to black. And that is good. So that is good. So this is what it looks like. So the only thing left now, I could put this up above, but it really doesn't matter. So I could also expand this. Okay. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna expand this like that. Okay, so we're done. We're pretty much done. So now the only thing left to do is to export. So I'm exporting this into, I've already created a folder for my new channel. If you guys haven't seen that video, I created that video this morning on how to create a new channel. And I created a new channel for you all to see. So here is washing shower. Oops, I can't spell. So now the only thing left to do is to export. This usually takes, it's pretty fast. So if we look at our timing, I'm going to cancel this first of all. Yes, because the mistake that I make sometimes is not looking at the timing. So if we look at the timing, this is past 1 minute. So I still have to cut it out. I still have to cut stuff out. And see, the bottom one, I didn't cut it out. Once I cut part of the bottom one out, it's still over 1 minute. So I still have to cut some more stuff out. So yeah.
On all that stuff. But you know what? Let's get started.
Okay. So I'm going to cut all that part out. So right here, I'm cutting this part out. Cutting this part out.
On this video, I'm going to tell you more real stuff why I stopped using the shower.
Okay, so I think that's the spot where you just have to get the right hook. That's the thing. You want people to watch more because shorts is only how many seconds. So you want to lure people to watch more of your videos. So when I say that, I'm going to point an arrow. I want to take an arrow and I want to point an arrow down there to show people that, okay, you guys, you should probably check this out. So I'm going to put an arrow. Yeah. See, a lot of time, yeah, see, I'm gonna put an arrow right on my face and be obnoxious right on my face. So yeah. Okay, yeah. So let's export now. That is better. So it's 56 seconds that we have right now. So let us go in here. Yep. We're going to video and we're gonna store this as shower shorts. I don't know, I don't have to call it shower shorts. Okay, shorts. Let's call it shorts. Okay, so now it's gonna take really quickly, fast to export, and then I'll show you how I put it into my YouTube channel and go from there. So now I don't know why it's taking a long time just because I'm doing this, but let's go back to my channel. So let's go to the YouTube channel. So I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna go to the YouTube channel right over there. So going to the YouTube channel, this is, remember the channel we created? And if you want to, you can watch the last live chat that I did, and that was when we created this new channel. So you see, I've created the banner. For some reason, something is going on with YouTube, so they're not showing my profile, even though I've put my profile out there. So now, this is where the video is going to be. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for the video to be there, I'm going to just create some playlists. So we can do that. Even though we don't have any video, we can still create playlists. So there's no reason. So you could create playlists. I could connect other channels to this. So let's see if I could connect other channels. So let's go into that, and I'm going to connect other channels. So let's see. So this is the part of basic information. This is the part that just keeps on. So I'm making sure everything. See, this is where I told you that the profile. I have the profile and everything set up. The profile and everything is set up there. And then the layout. This is where we can feature more stuff. And I can add a section for channels and for other stuff. So channel subscriptions and stuff. So let me go in here. We're still, yeah, it's still loading. You can see it's still loading. 51 seconds. I'm just buying time right now, people. To be honest with you, I am just buying time. This is why I kind of like all these live chats because you guys can really see me walking. Oh, look at that. We have 2 subscribers. Yay. We have 2 subscribers. Awesome. Yay. Our little baby is growing. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a nice testing channel. And if you guys don't know, I do teach classes. So if you want to, you can join my class. You can send me a message. Yeah, this is still, you see, still going 70 seconds. 70 more percent, not seconds. 70%. So let's keep on going. Okay, so what is going on? So now let me see if there's things that I can do. So as I was saying, I can create playlists. So there's no playlist right now. So I could create a playlist for natural hairstyles. Okay. So that's the playlist. I'm going to add more descriptions in there. So simple description, I can say quick natural hairstyles shorts videos. Okay, that's it. So I'm not going to spend more time elaborating on that. So you could create more stuff, but now because that one doesn't have much of anything, so yeah, you can see it's empty right over there. I can create another one for DIY natural hair. Oh wow, somebody just subscribed. Hi, Glitz of Nalaya. Sorry, you're DIY natural hair products. Thank you. Wow. Got my third subscriber. I'm laughing because I love this is like giving birth to a new baby. Oh my goodness. I've never yet told my main people on Discover Natural that I have another channel because I really want to build it up a little bit more. So guess who is going to be having so much fun this weekend? Okay, so let's go back to, let me refresh. So I have a couple of playlists right here. Let me create one for funny discovering natural videos. So create. Okay. So I'm not going to add any description in that one yet. Okay, let's refresh. So now we have 3 empty playlists. Remember, when you have playlists, you cannot, they won't show up on here until you have stuff in there. So with that being said, let us go to our dashboard and let us upload this video shots. And you guys will see how it looks like. Are you guys enjoying this? Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Edits by Any, where you get it raw and fresh, and we teach you and you learn as you go. Okay, so going back to Discover Natural Shots, you guys see how I structure. This is how I keep all my channels. We have right now we have 5 channels. 5 channels that we manage in-house, and then we have about 15 or so channels that we manage out of house. So those ones you will never find them. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now going on, this is what it's gonna look like. And I'm gonna create a title that is like silly. Stop recording in shower. Oh, and I'm gonna hashtag it shorts. Recording. Okay. Natural hair. Yeah, because I want the natural gods to pick it up. Okay, so now I'm not going to create a thumbnail. I'm just going to keep it raw, very raw. I want this channel to be very organic. When I mean organic, I mean I'm not going to do much of anything. So now I do want to grab the video, the actual video that is long. So I'll show you the actual video, discovering natural shorts. Shower. This, oh, if I can spell. So this is the actual video where I'm talking. You can see in one day it got 3K views. It's 9 minutes 48 seconds long. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to add that. Let's see, you can complete this. Okay, since it's still uploading, and this one I'm going to privatize it right now until I'm done uploading, because I will be adding the end screen and the card. So this is it. You see how it looks like this. YouTube kind of likes it when things look, you see how this one has a white and a white. YouTube kind of prefers it. That's what I'm saying right now. YouTube prefers it that everything fill up the screen. And so by blurring your background, you give it an illusion that your video goes past the small layer that you gave it. So try doing that. Okay, so now it's time for us to add our cards, and anything you click here, close. Okay, so it's, oh, that's quite interesting. So now it's time for us to add our end screen. So I'm going to add my end screen, and I am importing this video. If you guys know people that love stuff like this, please let them know. I'm importing it from another channel, so bring it out here. I am making this a bit smaller so that it doesn't fill up my whole screen. So right over there, you see, so right over there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right over there. I don't care. I really don't care where it goes, to be honest with you. And then I'm gonna put a card. So my card, which is where I'm trying to drive traffic, use this video to drive traffic. So let's see how it works. And if I share my analytics, I share all that stuff with people that are in my program. My program, I do channel reviews and I do mentorship, a month-long mentorship program. So send me a DM or on, you know, or send me a message if you want to join. So right here, I'm going to add right in the middle or so. Usually retention kind of stops around this area. So it's around this area for 56 seconds. So I'm going to add it right here. So this is where I'm adding the video right here. I'm grabbing that video and I'm going to say what the real, okay, watch the full video here. Okay, so this is the standard that I'm going to be using for a lot of my shorts. So my purpose of my shorts is to drive traffic to another channel, another video. No, it is not made for kids. That is good. I'm not going to add tags because I'm testing out tags and other stuff. So we are done. We're going to change this to public and you all can go watch it. So let's change to public and let's go back. Okay, have we saved it? Yay, we better save it too. Okay, so let's save it. So now we are going to watch it on YouTube. We're going to my YouTube shorts. I'm going to expand this out. Okay, I will email. Okay, sure, got it. I will be adding this to a playlist, which is my, let me see what playlist. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let's play it. It's 57 seconds. So I'm going to play it right now for you all to see.
Before I start this video, I want to show you guys
this is what
something.
It looks like.
And look, this is my bathroom, my shower right over here. You see it's
and I'm going to show you what it looks like
right here. And whenever I film my videos on the floor, and then
so you don't want to do that.
I have to set up lights, different lights.
So this is what it looks like.
I do have a whole bunch of lights right here. And yeah, so to get myself situated in the shower, I'm going to mess up my analytics on this video. I'm going to tell you,
show you guys. See?
More real stuff, why I stopped using the shower. So now you can
just click here. See? Boom, you're done. Okay, so let's go back to StreamYard and I'm going to add myself back in and I want to show you guys something. So let's say I'm going to go to Discover Natural Shorts on my phone and you all will see how it looks on the phone. Shorts. Okay, so on my phone, this is it, Discover Natural Shorts, and I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on the video. This is the video. Oops. So this is the video right over here that we just did. So clicking on it, you guys see how it fills up. So if I come in here, this is how it fills up on my screen. This is what YouTube likes. YouTube likes when things fill up like this. So you see, it's driving traffic to this guy. Okay, you see where it says watch the full video here? Is driving traffic earlier on very quickly. I really don't care about this channel, these shorts. To be honest with you, I really don't care. All the purpose of this short is to drive traffic to this one video right over there. Okay, that is the purpose. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, if you want me to do other videos, please let me know and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.